It can be, it can not be as well, because I've batted in past as well. I've batted in a different position. It's just that right now it's getting highlighted because we are always top heavy. We've always seen India winning games when the top three score runs, and I think this is for the first time we have got opportunity where we have to step it up and do it. And yeah, I think I'm in pretty good zone. I'm not getting too over with the situation or doing well. I'm trying to keep it. For me, it's my job, which is doing well. I actually, now actually, I think with time, I don't think I'm getting excited about it. I mean, on hindsight, I feel that they wanted me to hit on the biggest side, because it would have not made much difference if they would have gone wide, because the boundaries were pretty short. So for me, it was not about what they are doing; it was about what I can do and what beliefs I had. And I think I've seen and been in situation many times where I always felt that I can back it, and no matter where it comes, it's matter of hitting two big shots, and which today it came. I mean, it generally, to be honest, it does not matter for me where I bat. It's the situation I've always played in. I mean, develop my game in a way where I can play situations and the vision. If the time comes where I have to bat, I don't mind going. If time comes where I have to finish the game, I have to do that job as well. So, whatever the team requires, I always believe as a cricketer you have to improve time, and I've taken some time, but I think things are coming pretty well now. I mean, I don't think I have to think much. It's gonna be Paulie. He has done many times for his country, for the franchisee movement. So for me, the inspiration has been I've been lucky few of his knocks in the past, and yeah, this was one of those where yeah, it just came off. Yeah, West Indies style or Indian style, it does not matter in the end, India won. I mean, absolutely. We all have played cricket, and we all, franchisee-wise, I've always felt that in franchisees, you have to step it up because it's a professional sport. I mean, people take it as professional. Here, it's always the love for the country comes, and you feel more pressure and all. But I think just that because people have done so well in this last edition of IPL, people have just carried that confidence here. And for me as well, I felt that I was batting throughout the IPL. I was batting well, and for me, my biggest goal, which actually during lockdown, I always wanted to focus on one thing, that I wanted to finish games where it matters the most. That was my plan, and that was the learning throughout. And it was all the talk between I and Krunal was always that I want to finish games when it matters the most. I actually don't get much bothered if I don't score or I score runs. It's just that when I feel that it's my time to do it, and if the team wins, that's the most. That's the most happiest. मैंने एक्चुअली सर जी क्या बोलते हैं उसको प्रेजेंटेशन में वही बोला दैट आई एक्चुअली थॉट कि वो मैन ऑफ द मैच बनेगा, लेकिन एक्चुअली बोलते ना बैट्समैन की गेम हो गई है. सो लेकिन हाँ, जैसे आपने बोला, जहाँ सब जन इकोनॉमी हायर साइड थी, उसने एक्चुअली थोड़ा ब्रेक लाया ऑस्ट्रेलिया की इनिंग में. मुझे उसके जो 10 रन या 15 रन उसने जो कम दिए, वो ही मुझे लगा वो डिफरेंस था. बिकॉज जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया का जैसा स्टार्ट मिला और जहां वो लोग एंड किए, मेरा फर्स्ट थिंग जब मैं ड्रेसिंग रूम में आया, मैंने सबको वही बोला कि वो लोग 10 या 15 रन शॉर्ट है, अगर अपने नॉर्मल अच्छा क्रिकेट खेला तो जीत जाएंगे. एंड एक्चुअली इन द एंड वही मैटर किया. I mean, obviously it makes difference when you have initially when 14 days when we started practicing and all, it was only team together. So for us, to be honest, I'm just so impressed with him because he's someone he keeps it simple, and I like people who keeps things simple. They don't complicate too much, and he's one of those where if you tell him Nattu, you have to go Yorker, he goes and bowls a Yorker. When you tell him go wide, slow ball, he goes and bowls that. So he's been actually fantastic. And you said, coming from the place where he has come, and the opportunity that came as a bowler got picked into the side, and And it just shows character, right? That when you actually, it's learning for lots of people. If you keep things simple in life, can benefit you in lots of ways, and he's one of the examples.